Okay guys, so this is a video on the how-to on how to mix the new solution when it comes to using the FlexiShield cosmetic films. We have a special slip solution, and this slip solution is designed specifically mainly for the air channels, but when it comes to using cosmetic films and speeding up the installation process, making it a lot easier and simpler to finish off edges, different types of recesses, and obviously keep the finish of the film. It's fairly straightforward. A few things you need to think of. The standard kind of balanced ratio is for 10 ml per 1 litre of deionized water. There are different water types you can use. We're going to do in a different video, but fairly the kind of standard straightforward thing. What we recommend is deionized water. However you want to mix it, it's completely up to you. If you want to use a spray bottle or a keg, again, you can use more water. Things to think about, you can use anywhere from 5 to 14 ml safely when it comes to keeping it clean. Again, we'll talk about that in a different video on how to install, but pretty standard stuff. If you take your deionized water, measure out 1 litre. Now, all you're going to do is take your bottle, take a 10 ml syringe. You can set the syringe into the bottle. Now, when you are choosing which ratio to use, what we generally recommend is the middle ground that most people are going to suit is 10 ml for a litre. If you are going to do a bulk fit and you want it slightly tackier, you can use down to 5 ml and anything in between. So if you're doing a bulk fit and you've got a complex panel, you want it to be able to transition from a slip to a tack faster when you're squeegeeing, it's going to be a lower ratio. If you're going to do pre-cut files and you're doing smaller pieces or complex areas where you need more working time for it to be slightly more slip and a slightly slower tack, then obviously you're going to use a higher ratio. But as a standard, you're going to go for 10 ml, and that's kind of your working range. If you get used to it, then you can start playing around and taking less and more. We can go about that in other videos as well. So that's 10 ml into 1 litre of water. Give it a little swirl around and then apply it to your bottle and it'll be ready to go.